Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. Today we are going to see how a doctor or support staff who are user of NiftyHMS can see a new appointments that's been booked by patients through WhatsApp or 3-step appointment booking online. So there are a number of ways they can check the appointments on the web version, on the Android application, or the iPhone application. Right now we are going to see how it looks like on the web version. So once you log in as a doctor or a support staff or receptionist, you will see the calendar on the dashboard. So it has month, week and day based solution. So month you will see that, weekly you will see the whole 7 days, and the day you see single day 24 hours and 1:30 p.m. is the appointment that's been there for today. You can also see the dashboard. Now we can go to appointment from the left side menu, check on the calendar. So here also we have the month, so whole 30 days of the month, and then week, 7 days of the week for 24 hours a day, and you can see the appointment for a particular day. So if you have multiple doctors, multiple time slots will come up for each doctor, and then these appointments are also available as an appointment list, where you can see all the appointments. You can also search it using search feature over there. And you can see the completed appointments, the payment status of particular appointment, the consulting fees would be also appearing as paid, unpaid, or partly paid. And then you have the upcoming appointment, which is the most recent appointment that's upcoming for the next 24 hours will appear at the top in the system, and it also has the schedule and paid fee statuses. And recently booked appointment can be also seen in recently booked tab over here. And then let's just go dashboard. So this was how you can see the appointments in the NiftyHMS system as a doctor or support staff. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching our video today. Thank you.